Well, anyways, this is the E-flite AT Texan. We're running an HRB 3300 3-cell. We're going to taxi around here just a little bit. I haven't flown this plane in forever, so bear with me, folks. All right, let's get her turned around here. We're going to do her with takeoff flaps. Taking off right to left here. Wait a minute. No, we're not. Didn't like the way that was doing. All right. Wow. All right. Well, we'll maybe take off the other direction then. This is the first time I've flown this plane on this runway, so I usually fly in the grass. All right. All right.
Gear up.
All right, gears up. All right.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Sorry, folks, I'm having a little bit of problem here. Remembering how to fly this plane. Coming in nice and slow there. Got the flaps down. Right into the sun. All right. Yeah. All right, we're going to do flaps again. Take off in that direction.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, the thing to do is to give it a little more gas.
Landing flaps.
Looks like she needs a little bit of down elevator. A little bit of down trim. We're doing a nice slow pass here. Then we're going to cut out a little bit earlier here. All right, we're going to try to bring her in here. Whoa. Ah, not good. But trying to remember how to.
Flaps up.
We're going to do that again. We're going to do it this time without.
Time remaining 2.
Here we go. This time we're going to land it with takeoff flaps only. Actually,
Flaps up.
we're going to come in with no flaps. Sorry. Sorry about that, honey. All right. Definitely going to use flaps this time, but probably takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps.
Well, that's better. Not a whole lot better, but better. All right, we're going to do one more. Got a minute and 14. Taking off with takeoff flaps.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Now that was much, much better. All right, folks, that is the E-flite AT6 Texan, World War II trainer. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.